Am I the only one that didn't know stoichiometry is basically chemistry's secret recipe book? Most people have never heard of it, but it's the backbone of every experiment. Here's why you should care. Stoichiometry is the science of measuring the exact amounts of substances involved in chemical reactions. Think of it as the recipe math behind every bubbling beaker or fizzing flask. So when do you use it? Anytime you want to predict how much product you'll get or avoid making a mess with leftover chemicals. That's why stoichiometry is crucial in everything from making medicine to baking a perfect cake. But here's the catch: reactions don't always use up every ingredient. Enter the limiting reagent, the ingredient that runs out first and decides how much product you can actually make. Like running out of flour when baking cookies, no more cookies after that. So how do you actually do stoichiometry? First, write a balanced chemical equation. Next, identify your starting amounts. Then use mole ratios from the equation to convert what you have into what you want: grams to moles to moles, then moles back to grams if needed. In a nutshell, balanced equation. Convert units, use mole ratios. Figure out the limiting reagent, calculate your final product. Boom. And that, science fans, is stoichiometry, the unsung hero of every lab success. Next time you see a chemical reaction, you'll know there's some serious number crunching behind every fizz and flash. Stay curious.